Cash App Bitcoin verification. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can do a Bitcoin verification for Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to verify Bitcoin for Cash App, all you have to do is basically open up Cash App and log into your account. Once you log into your account, tap the Bitcoin toggle from the bottom right of the screen. Then over here you'll see it says verify your identity, so tap on verify identity. That is get started. Now tap on continue, as it says we need a little bit more information, and once it's done that, you have to select the main reason you use Bitcoin. Select a reason, tap on next. Select your main source of income, tap on next. Select your employment status and tap on next, and also select your job title. And once you've done that, Bitcoin withdrawals and deposits will get enabled. And after you've done that, you'll be able to see a Bitcoin address to deposit Bitcoin, or you can also enable withdrawals Bitcoin, and you can also send Bitcoin. This is how you can do a Bitcoin verification for Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.